right, the ballerina stretch is another hip stretch that we're going to be performing on the floor, but not only does it hit your hip, it also targets a lot of the muscles in your groin and adductor areas. So we'll begin this one the way we do a lizard pose. So you can pad up your back knee, one knee will be back, one foot will be forward, chest is nice and upright. So from here, what we want to take is our back shin and pivot it towards our center line, like that. So I feel this not only in my hips, feel it in my groin area, I feel it in my glutes as well. If you want to add an extra stimulus, you can put your hands on the floor, okay? And so to come out of it, gently turn the foot back, and then you'll rinse and repeat on both sides. And that there is the ballerina stretch.